Hello there! Today we look into the features of the mobile menu container block and the sidebar menu block, which are included in the Caledros Basic Blocks WordPress plugin. This plugin can be installed directly from the plugins section of the WordPress dashboard. It's also available for download on wordpress.org and from my GitHub account. Links are provided in the video description. Mobile menu container block. The mobile menu container block has the same controls as the desktop menu container block, so it's just a special Flex container designed to house the mobile navigation menu. We can control its layout, style, and we can also add sticky navigation behavior. Like a normal Flex container block, we can set different background colors for the dark and light modes. However, the mobile menu container block does not have responsive controls, so it becomes visible automatically in devices with screens up to 811 pixels wide. This mobile container also appears automatically in devices without cursors, regardless of their screen width. Sidebar block. The sidebar menu block uses a template part to show a vertical menu. This menu appears when the user clicks on the menu button. Sidebar template control. The sidebar template control allows us to select the template part that will appear as the sidebar menu's content. To create a sidebar template, we go to Appearance, Editor, Patterns, and then click on Add Pattern. Then we will select the Add Template Part option. Then we will click on Sidebar Menu and we will type the name of our custom sidebar. Finally, we will click on Add to save our template. After that, our template part will be opened in the Gutenberg editor. As a template part, we can add any kind of content, from images to links. In this example, I'll add a simple paragraph to test if our template part shows correctly. Then, in our header template part, we will choose our new custom template. After saving, our new custom sidebar will appear. Background colors controls. This controls allows us to set different background colors for the light and dark modes. We can choose custom colors or pick one from the theme palette. The background color is applied to the whole width and height of the sidebar menu. Button color controls. This controls allows us to set different colors for the sidebar menu button. We can pick custom or theme colors both for the light and dark mode. Button styles controls. These controls allows us to change the appearance of the sidebar menu button. There are two controls, one for the open sidebar button and one for the close sidebar button. The changes of the open sidebar button are visible in the editor. However, the changes of the close sidebar button are only visible in the front end. Sidebar minimum width control. This control allows us to set a minimum width in percentages for the sidebar menu. However, this setting only applies to screens with widths between 451 pixels and 811 pixels. On smaller devices, 450 pixels or less, the sidebar menu spans the whole screen. This feature is only visible in the front end. Open button padding control. This control allows us to change the padding of the open button. Like other blocks, we can set the same padding to all sides, or we can set different paddings for each side of the button. Close button position control. This control allows us to change the top and right padding of the close button. Thus, we can modify the close button position in the sidebar menu. However, this feature cannot be previewed in the editor. It's only visible in the front end. Thank you for watching.